Hey guys, okay guys, I am not professional on this stuff, but this is getting really annoying. So, if I pull this off, I need that, I'm gonna guess, yes, if I pull this off, and I test the voltage from here, and right up here it's 240, and also up here it's 240, and that's neutral. And then splits in. But the reason I'm asking is it possible to just connect two wires from two breakers? It's possible to connect the wire from two breakers and run it all the way around my backyard to my air conditioner. Because right here in California, it's 103 Fahrenheit, which is, if you ask me, it's crazy hot. Let me take this because, if you guys can see right now, my dogs tend to eat everything that I leave behind. But is it possible to run a cable from here all the way to my room just for the air conditioning? That was scary. So right here, my room here. So this is my air conditioner. Let me put my brightness up on my phone. I can't see anything yet. So this is my air conditioner. Pretty good unit. Problem with this is that it works on 240 volts, and the only thing I have is 110. With a transformer that makes it to 180, but the problem is I turn it on, it works, but when the temperature is hot, that happens. It can't start, and it gets so annoying. So this is a four-way valve, a reversing valve, I don't know what you call it. So I do that, plug it back in. Starts, still died. Relieve the pressure. Not heating. And it just dies. I just can't start it. And it's just so getting on my nerves already. There's 100 and something in here. My room has no insulation. This thing has no air filter, but I'm gonna leave it like that because when there's a lot of air flowing through, it just won't start neither. I have the hose here because sometimes it turns on when I just pour a bunch of water in it. I have taken this all the way over there and plugged it in. It ran, but now I can't run it. Oh, sorry, I can't rotate it. So. Just hums. The worst part of all, you just can't run the fan either, only. Because the fan, I don't know how this works, but it needs a compressor as well to be running. Also, the compressor needs the fan to be running. It gets on my nerves. So if you guys know if that's possible.